Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by gathering everything: 2 English muffins, 4 large eggs, 4 slices Canadian bacon, 3 egg yolks reserved for sauce, butter, lemon, and white vinegar. Toast 2 English muffins and slice them in half so they're ready when the eggs finish. Heat 4 slices of Canadian bacon in a skillet until slightly crisp and keep warm on low heat. Bring a pot of water with 1 tablespoon white vinegar per quart and simmer gently for poaching eggs. To make classic Hollandaise, whisk 3 egg yolks with 1 tablespoon lemon juice in a heat-proof bowl until thick and pale. Place the bowl over barely simmering water and whisk continuously while you slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup melted butter, about 1 tablespoon at a time, until the sauce emulsifies and thickens. Keep the sauce warm but not hot, and season with a pinch of salt and 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper to taste, adjusting lemon for brightness. Poach 4 large eggs in the simmering vinegar water, stirring gently to create a whirlpool and slide eggs in. Poach each egg for about 3-5 minutes for a runny yolk, then lift with a slotted spoon and drain on paper. To assemble, place toasted muffin halves on plates, top each half with heated Canadian bacon, then 1 poached egg, and spoon warm Hollandaise over the top. Serve immediately with chopped chives and an optional sprinkle of black pepper, enjoying the contrast of crisp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.